This is the chicken with orange sauce, and I'm going to serve it with rice and steamed broccoli. So right now I've already shown you how to do onions. I fried my onions and garlic in the oil because I want the oil to get the aroma of garlic and onion. I'm going to use the onion for the sauce, and now I'm going to fry the chicken. For frying the chicken, what you need to do is, I use dark meat, and you need to just put couple of slices of, just cut the thighs a couple times, put the heat on high, put the chicken skin down. And for drumstick it doesn't matter because it's got skin all around it. So this is, and I want this to brown. So the chicken is going to brown. While the chicken is going to brown, I'm going to make my sauce. So I've got onion here.
And garlic, right?
And garlic, yes. I've got about 1 cup of orange juice. Some saffron. Salt and pepper, and now I'm going to salt my chicken and put some pepper on this at the same time. Not ready yet. I'm going to add some julienne cut orange peels. And I'm going to let this reduce. Turn over the chicken. I'm gonna put salt. I'm going to turn the chicken down and let this cook for a minute. I'm going to add the sour cream. This is about a little bit over half a cup of sour cream. I'm going to turn the heat down. Yes.
Smells good.
Gonna turn this on low. Just checking to make sure. We don't want the chicken to overcook. I want the chicken to be just done. I don't want it to be well done. I want you to be able to cut into the chicken. When you're cooking chicken with the orange sauce, I do not like to put any water in the orange. I would more or less like to fry the bare chicken and then add the sauce to it. Because I want some of the sauce to get into the chicken, I'm going to drain the sauce. Actually, I will show you how I do that. I'm going to run it through a colander, get some of the sauce out. The rest, I'm going to put it in the chicken. It's cooking. I'm going to turn this down on low. Face it down to put the skin down because I want the skin to burn. Cover it. Okay. Going to run the sauce through a So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the chicken out. I want the sauce to be able to heat the sauce, so put it back in here. I'm going to use this. Put it on low heat. Then I'm going to take the chickens out. Now you see the chicken already has its own juice, so and all my chicken dish are done in 30 minutes. The reason I took that out because I'm going to put the sauce in. I mean what I've drained, and I'm going to make a bed here and put my chicken into bed. Again, skin down.
You gonna sing his lullabies?
Okay. Okay. Now I need to Turn it on high.
It's just a tiny bit of water.
Yeah, that's just because I wanted to wash the rest of the sauce. See, I don't. As you see here, I don't want any of the orange or onions to cover the chicken. And as you see, the chicken is cooking now. I'm going to turn it over. You see, got the brownish. And that's what I. Okay. The reason I put the skin down first is because the part that has the skin, it takes longer because of the thickness of the skin for the heat to go through and cook the chicken. So I put the skin side down again first and then turn them over and do the other side that doesn't have a skin. We're being funny today, and now while this is cooking, I'm going to show you how to steam the broccoli. I've got water here, just a bit. I'm going to add some salt to this and bring the water to boil. Going to cover it so it comes to boil. Turn down the heat under the chicken. Yes, well, I'm doing it justice. I really love chicken and I really take care of my chickens. Cook them well and the way they need to cook. And while we're doing that, I am going to roast my almonds.
We're running out of burners here.
I've got the burner back there.
What do you got going on over here?
Well, I've got here قیمه پلو. قیمه پلو. Okay, I'm going to turn this down. Yes. Okay, and then I'm going to roast the almonds. And while this is being roasted, let me tell you what I do with the rice. I cook the rice. When I served a meat dish with rice, I use rice as a starch in a plate. And what I do is I cook the rice first and I put it in a cup and I'm going to put it in a microwave. I add some saffron, salt and pepper and some yogurt, mixed it, and I will put this in the microwave for 1 minute when I'm ready, and that would be it. And now the water is boiling. I'm going to put the broccoli's flour side down where the butt is. I mean butt of the broccoli. Okay. Okay, and now I'm going to cover it. And the heat is on high for 1 minute, and then I'm going to turn it down. And then we let it steam. And then by that time the chicken is done, and under half an hour we got a beautiful, magnificent chicken dish with orange sauce and roasted almonds.
So the sauce is getting thicker and thicker.
Yes, I want the sauce to get thick. I'm reducing the sauce. Okay, this is boiling, so I'm going to turn it off. Let it steam. Let's check the chicken. I'm going to put this on the back burner. I'm going to put this on high. Flip them over one more time. Okay, the almonds are roasted. Okay.
Wow, look at that color. It's so green.
When you steam it like that, it just
Color comes
the
out.
colors comes out and it. Okay, gonna turn down, and we are getting ready for the presentation.
So you've got some heat-resistant skin or something?
I've done it so much that it really doesn't bother me that much.
Obviously.
See, I told you that I need to have a towel in my pocket. Okay. Now I'm going to put the rice in the microwave for 1 minute. Turn off the chicken. Gonna turn them over again. See how beautiful the skin, goldish color. I'm getting the rice out of the microwave. Let it cool down a bit. Just look at the broccolis and see how green they look. Gonna drain the water.
You don't let us look at it.
Look at it. See how green it is?
Yeah.
Now you can look at it. Okay. So hot. I hope it does the trick.
Nice. So can you go over how you prepared that rice again?
Yes, I cooked the rice first, and then I put the rice in a cup, as you saw, and then I added some yogurt and saffron, and now I'm going to add the broccoli. Now it's time for the sauce. You know, when the sauce is the dress that you put on like when you wear your clothing, the dress that you put on a lady, makes everything complete. And the sauce does that to chicken.
What about the guys? The guys don't need to wear anything.
No, they don't have to wear anything.
We're gonna have a bunch of naked guys.
Okay.
That looks beautiful.
Then we're going to put the roasted almonds.
Under half an hour.
Under half an hour. Bon appétit.